Hello students, I am Dr. Jyoti Vaingankar, Assistant Professor at PSS RSN College of Arts and Science, Farmagudi, Goa. I am here to take a module for the program Bachelor of Science, subject Botany. Course title is Biodiversity 2. Title of the unit is Classification. Name of the module is Study of Families, Lamiaceae, Liliaceae and Poaceae. In this module, you will study about the diagnostic characters of Lamiaceae, diagnostic characters of Liliaceae, diagnostic characters of Poaceae. At the end of this module, you will be able to describe the diagnostic characters of Lamiaceae, explain the diagnostic characters of Liliaceae, and state the diagnostic characters of Poaceae. Lamiaceae family is also called as Labiatae family. First, let us start with the classification. It belongs to class Dicotyledonnae, subclass is Gamopetalae, series is Bicarpellatae, order is Lamiales, and family is Lamiaceae or Labiatae family. It is commonly called as mint family. It includes 264 genera and 6,990 species. It is worldwide in distribution, largely concentrated in the Mediterranean region. The major genera which are included under this family are Salvia, Ocimum, Mentha, Tectona, etc. Now let us start with the diagnostic characters of Lamiaceae family. The plants are mostly aromatic herbs or shrubs, sometimes small or large trees, rarely climbers. Stem is four-angled. Suckers or stolons are present, sometimes green and assimilatory with glandular hairs present. Leaves are opposite, rarely alternate, simple or pinnate compound, usually aromatic and sometimes reduced. Stipules are absent. Inflorescence is verticillester, arranged in raceme, spike or panicle. Flowers are bracteate or ebracteate, bisexual, zygomorphic, hypogynous and bilabiate. Calyx consists of 5 sepals which are united, bilabiate and it is persistent. Corolla consists of 5 petals, united, bilabiate, upper lip sometimes absent, rarely corolla is 4-lobed. Androecium consists of 2 stamens or 4, epipetalous, didynamous, inserted in corolla tube, filaments are free and dehiscence is longitudinal. Gynoecium consists of 2 united carpel, ovary is superior, bilocular, ovules 2 in each chamber, anatropous, placentation is axile, ovules are attached to the sides of the false septa, ovary is 4-lobed, style 1, gynobasic, ovary is present on a nectary disc. Fruit is a schizocarp or carcerulus. Seed contains straight embryo and endosperm is minute or it is absent. Now let us study about the diagnostic characters of Liliaceae family. First we will start with the classification. It belongs to class Monocotyledonnae, series is Coronariae, order Liliales and the family is Liliaceae. It is commonly known as Lily family and it includes 11 genera and 545 species. It is distributed in northern hemisphere, mainly in the temperate region. The major genera which are included under this family are Fritillaria, Gagea, Lilium, Tulipa, etc. Now let us start with the diagnostic characters of Liliaceae family. The plants are mostly perennial herbs with underground bulb. Leaves are basal, alternate or whorled, usually linear or strap shaped, simple, entire, and venation is parallel. Stipules are absent. Inflorescence is usually racemose, sometimes solitary or subumbellate. Flowers are showy, bisexual, actinomorphic, rarely they are zygomorphic, trimerous and hypogynous. Perianth consists of 6 tepals which are arranged in 2 whorls. Both whorls are petaloid and often spotted or with lines, often united into tube, and nectary is present at the base of tepal. Androecium consists of 6 stamens in 2 whorls. They are epiphyllous and filaments are free. Gynoecium consists of 3 carpels which are united. Ovary is superior and it is trilocular with many ovules. Placentation is axile and style simple or with 3-lobe stigma. Fruit is a loculicidal capsule, rarely a berry. Seeds contain small embryo and endosperm is copious. Now let us start with the last family, that is Poaceae family. It belongs to class Monocotyledonae, series Glumaceae, order is Poales, and family is Poaceae or Graminae. It is commonly called as grass family. It includes 656 genera and 9,975 species. It is distributed worldwide in all types of climates and habitats. The major genera which are included in this family are Poa, Panicum, Bambusa, Arundinaria, etc. Let us start with the study of diagnostic characters of Poaceae family. The plants are mostly herbs or rarely woody shrubs or trees, with rhizomes, stolons or runners, and frequently tillering to form tufts of stems. Stem shows hollow internodes and jointed swollen nodes with silica bodies. Leaves are distichous, alternate, simple, basal sheath surrounding internode and free linear blade. A ligule is present at the junction of blade and sheath, margins of sheath overlapping, united into a tube, and venation is parallel. Stipules are absent. Inflorescence is spikelets arranged in racemes, panicles or spikes. Each spikelet is with 2 glumes enclosing one or more florets borne on an axis, which is called as rachula, in 2 rows. Flowers are small and they are radiose, zygomorphic, rarely actinomorphic, usually bisexual, rarely unisexual, hypogynous, enclosed in lemma and palea, lemma often bearing dorsal, subterminal or terminal on, or on is sometimes absent. Perianth is absent or it is represented by 2 or rarely 3 lodicules. Androecium consists of 3 stamens, sometimes 6 or even more, rarely 1 to 2. Filaments are free, anthers are dithecous, basifix, usually sagittate, and dehiscence is longitudinal. Gynoecium consists of bicarpellary ovary or tricarpellary, syncarpous or monocarpellary ovary, unilocular with 1 ovule, placentation is basal, styles 2, sometimes 3 and rarely 1, and stigma is often feathery. Fruit is a caryopsis, rarely nut berry. Seeds are fused with pericarp, embryo is straight and endosperm is starchy. These are the references used for the preparation of this module. This is an additional reference. Thank you.